Alright, so it snowed in Arizona. I said it wouldn't, and I promised you guys if it did that I would jump in the Colorado River. It's cold. Very, very cold.
God, it's cold already.
And my son decided he wants to do it too. So I'm gonna set you guys down and this is gonna be a cold one. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, it's like ice. Oh, God.
Knocks your air out. Here's my promise. Yeah, buddy. Now I know it snows in Arizona, and I will not make a bet if it doesn't. So yeah, December 31st, 2014, it snowed in Arizona. Happy New Year's to all you guys, and God bless. Peace out. Say peace out.
Peace out.
Oh, my nipples are cold. My wife thinks I'm crazy.